slow and steady wins the race. This video explains the meaning of this proverb and then tells how we can apply it to our lives to bring luck, overcome difficulties, succeed. Slow and steady wins the race. In today's fast-paced world, this proverb reminds us of the importance of patience and perseverance. It encourages us to take a step back, assess the situation, and proceed with caution. By doing so, we can achieve success in various aspects of our lives. To apply this proverb, we need to focus on long-term goals rather than seeking instant gratification. It requires us to break down our objectives into smaller, manageable tasks and consistently work towards them. This approach allows us to build a solid foundation and ensures that we make progress steadily. Furthermore, embracing a slow and steady mindset enables us to overcome difficulties more effectively. When faced with challenges, we can analyze them objectively, seeking practical solutions instead of hastily reacting. This approach promotes better decision-making and helps us navigate through obstacles with confidence. By practicing patience and perseverance, we increase our chances of luck finding us. Rushing through life often leads to missed opportunities, as we may overlook crucial details or make hasty choices that don't align with our long-term objectives. In contrast, taking our time allows us to seize fortuitous moments when they do arise and make the most of them. Remember, success is not always about being the fastest or the strongest. It is about consistent progress and continuous improvement. The tortoise in the famous fable teaches us that perseverance and a steady pace can triumph over impulsive and erratic behavior. In conclusion, the proverb, "Slow and steady wins the race," highlights the significance of patience and perseverance in achieving success. It reminds us to focus on long-term goals, break them down into smaller tasks, and consistently work towards them. This mindset helps us overcome difficulties by seeking practical solutions and making informed decisions. By practicing patience, we increase our chances of luck finding us and seizing opportunities. Success is not about being the fastest or strongest, but about steady progress and continuous improvement. Embracing a slow and steady approach can lead us to triumph in various aspects of our lives. Slow and steady wins the race because it allows us to maintain a consistent pace and focus on the quality of our actions. It is through patience and perseverance that we can overcome obstacles, learn from our mistakes, and grow stronger. By embracing a slow and steady mindset, we can navigate the challenges of life with resilience and determination. The key is to stay committed to our goals, make steady progress, and never give up. In the end, our persistent efforts will lead us to success and fulfillment. If you found this video useful, please rate it highly, comment and subscribe to the channel.